welcome! In today's episode I work on multiple tasks which hopefully takes me to maiden flight pretty soon. I start with the cowling vent. I already did the other side, but I never recorded it. After I cut and shape the opening, I check the hole alignment and place the mesh inside the vent tunnel. I drill the holes and pull the mesh with rivets. Time to make the wing cuffs. I decided to leave some space between the two parts. I want this space for the wires to have more room. Now the wingspan gets a little bigger again, giving me 128 inches of total span. When the cuffs are fully complete, I'll add some hard points to the fixed portion of the wing and screw the wing down through the cuffs. This should be enough to keep the wing in place. Next day, with some effort, I split the wings again. Note that the epoxy did not stick to duct tape. Next step is to smoothen it all out. I use file at first to give it a nice transition. It will need some filler, but that's later. I also sand the filler that I added behind the scenes. I should be using bigger block to get a straight finish, but I have a deadline and I'm not going for perfect at this point. Some primer goes down to seal the filler. At last, I check for the best placement of the FPV camera. I want the best angle to see the cockpit and what's in front of me. Now I can print the camera mount. But that's all for today, and more coming soon.